Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So today I have a different variety of Haworthia. I'm not very sure about the name, but I will give you the care tips because this belongs to the variety of Haworthia. As you can see, they are green in color. They do not like a lot of light. So hence I have kept them in indirect bright light. They have been doing quite well. The reason they are quite close right now because I haven't watered them. But definitely this is not a variety of zebra because they do not have that regular white stripes on them. This is basically another variety of Haworthia. As and when I'm going to find the name, I will put in the description. As of now, I'm not getting the name, but it belongs to the variety of Haworthia. So guys, when it comes to light, they do not like direct sunlight because they do not change the color from green. So you have to keep them in indirect bright light, but the light has to be really bright, otherwise they will start to stretch. Now if you're going to keep the succulent in direct sunlight, even for that matter morning direct sunlight, they will start to turn brown. They will lose the green color. The moment they start turning brown, it indicates that they are either getting burnt or they're getting stressed. Now the soil, I tend to use the same soil. You can see it's very loose, porous and well draining. That is the type of soil you need to have, and the soil should dry out before watering again. Apart from that, the mealybugs are not much of an issue on this variety because they have really thick leaves. As you can see, if I'm going to zoom, you can see the leaves are very thick. It's very difficult for the mealybugs to attack on them. Even for that matter, the aphids as well, they cannot attack on them. But in case if there is too much of organic matter in the soil, then probably there could be white mold or fungus, but that is only if there is too much of organic matter in the soil. Now because this belongs to the variety of Haworthia, they tend to go dormant during the summers and winter is their growing period. So if you are from a place wherein the temperatures are very high, then ensure that you move them indoors, probably near a place wherein they get a good amount of indirect bright light, but they cannot handle too much of heat or too much of cold climate. Basically they are not frost hardy succulents. So this is all about it. Propagation is pretty simple. They will start to put out offsets. I'm not very sure if, as you can see this one over here, let me take this out. As you can see, this one over here has so as you can see, this is a small little offset. This is how they tend to put out offsets. So that's how you can multiply them once they reach a decent size. And leaf propagation is possible, but that is going to take a very long time. I've heard that they take around 1 year even to sprout a pup. They are very slow with leaf propagation, so always wait for the pups to emerge. Once the pups reach a decent size, you can separate them from the mother plant, and they tend to do quite fast as compared to leaf propagation. Leaf propagation is going to take a very long time because I had seen a video wherein the person said that it took almost 9 to 8 months for the leaf to put out a pup. So it's a very long process. So I would suggest go for a separation of offsets, or you can divide them from the stem. So that's all about this beautiful variety of Haworthia. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.